Nindot dire oh. Nindot dire ay. So ready na may mag-order of foods sa dinner dire sa hotel among istihan.
Seafood pasta, it's marinara.
Oh, okay. So kanino yung i-order? I feel it medallions. And mag-order ko ani KFC. Rare KFC. Fried chicken. Yeah, we can try that seafood pasta. This one if you want. Yeah. And then try this chicken. Rare chicken. Naabot na ang bread kaunday niya. So mauna niya mong order ramen pasta. Para masyang dami. Mga unta. So ginukadaghan man day ani. Napaw. Daghan kaayo. Lahi pa na iyang order. Guwapa kay dire ang lounge oh nawa. Model akong bana. Hindot dire relax. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. You ready? Okay. That's it.
One?
No, I'm alright. Just take it.
That's right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Let's go. We can go there. So, lami ilang pagkaon. Muli na mi ato na sa among room. Dira rang. Let's walk here a little bit. Nanindot yung window oh, nawang color. See the window, babe? Very nice. Wow, very pretty. Sa dira, name Lincoln down. Rang restaurant, nag-renovation sila dira. Wow, I like this window. Very pretty. What are you doing? So we go now?
Yeah.
Ito, balik na ta sa room, guys.
We don't have to go right now.
So mangulit na mi guys, umana mo hang duha ka nights nga pag-stay. Do you enjoy your stay, babe?
I had a good time. I enjoyed my stay.
You look relaxed, huh?
So do you. I'm getting old.
Yeah, we all get old.
The old get old and the young get stronger. May take a week, may take longer.
We go now? So ready to go, huh? The car. I asked for 11 o'clock check. No, what time now, babe?
It's in a paper there.
Yeah, I will take it. What? So mangulit na mi oy kay. Mag-drive pa mig tulo ka oras and a half. So nag-enjoy mi diri pod. Ngindot man ilahang hotel diri og kanang relaxing dili saba, night views po mi diri. So salamat sa pagtan-aw kay mangulit na kong bana. Makabiyaan na ba na siya? Dili ni mo rin man mabiyaan na siya baganin. Pikas na mong gistihan na pinabilin siya dito ang buto giun-un niya. Okay, bye. Salamat sa pagtan-aw.